So I'm going to explain how to check the draw weight on a bow. If you go online, you're going to type in to Google or Amazon. You're going to type in like a scale. So this is kind of almost like a fishing scale, where it measures the weight that you apply to this little hook. However, there's one particular feature you want to look out for. It's called peak weight. So as you're pulling the bow back, it's going to be measuring the weight, and it's actually going to be calculating the peak weight that was applied to the scale. So for instance, if I take this hook, put it on the string, and pull it back, it says 14.08 pounds right now. I'm going to let it reset. Oh, I think I have to hit the button again. Alright, so 0 pounds. 22.28 just now. 12.94. Pull back further. 28.72. Even further. 33.12. 40.96. 45.66. So that's a good way to measure the draw weight, in particular on a compound bow. If you're adjusting the draw weight and you're curious what it is, pick up one of these, just hook it to the little D-loop, pull it back, and you're good to go.